We've all been there. Tangled devices, scattered devices, and a setup that just doesn't work efficiently. Today we're upgrading my friend's apartment with a smarter, cleaner tech setup. Right now his network and smart home devices are all over the place, so we're bringing a 10-inch rack, setting up a Raspberry Pi, and integrating everything into a more efficient system. This is the DeskPi RackMate T2. It's a small, sleek 10-inch rack, and it's going to be perfect for organizing a smart home and network setup in a limited space. Along with that, we're going to be using a new family member, the RackMod 1U 10-inch, to keep everything modular and clean. RackMod 1U 10-inch builds on the same 1U design, allowing users to use the same modules as the RackMod 1U slide. On top of this, we have a smaller module, perfect for cable management, smaller devices or storage. But first, let's get everything together. Starting with unboxing all the components, mounting the RackMate T2 and laying out our plan. I've heard that this should be super simple to build, so I'm gonna try to build it without using the manual. Let's see how it goes. Boom! So there we have it, the RackMate T2. But of course, we need to fill it up. So we're going to combine it with the RackMod 10-inch and my friend's devices. Let's get it over to him. Right now, my friend's setup is, well, let's call it a work in progress. The network gear is unorganized, smart home devices are spread out, and there's no real central hub to manage everything. So let's fix that. The plan is simple. A compact, functional home server rack that can house his Raspberry Pi, network gear, and smart home controllers. All while keeping the space clean, organized, and easily accessible. This setup will not only improve efficiency, but also future-proof his smart home system for upgrades down the line. With everything planned out, it's now time to build. First, we'll set up the rack and install the RackMod 1U modules. Then we'll mount the Raspberry Pi, get Home Assistant running, and clean up the network cables to make everything accessible and easy to manage. And here it is, the upgraded setup. What once was a cluttered mess has been transformed into a clean, streamlined, and future-ready smart home system. With a compact server rack and properly managed cables, everything now has a place. The Raspberry Pi is running Home Assistant, acting as a central hub for all smart devices and integrating seamlessly into the system. This upgrade has completely changed my friend's apartment, making it more organized, efficient, and prepped for the future of smart home devices. I want to make it clear that no money has been exchanged with DeskPi regarding the RackMate T2 rack. Like many others, DeskPi loved the RackMod project and wanted to support its continued development. And I really appreciate that. If you're curious about DeskPi's awesome products, there's a link in the description. You'll also find a link to my MakerWorld account where you can download all the 3D models for free. What do you think about this setup? Let me know in the comments. That's it for now. Thank you for watching.